everyone, and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Emma, and today we are going to talk about visiting a friend.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Emma, do you like visiting friends?
Yes, I do. I enjoy it very much.
How often do you visit a friend?
Usually once or twice a week.
That sounds nice.
Yes, it is always fun.
Do you visit friends on weekends?
Most of the time, yes.
What do you do before visiting a friend?
I send a message first.
That is a good idea.
Yes, I like to ask before I visit.
Do your friends like surprise visits?
Some do, but some do not.
I understand.
It is good to be polite.
What do you take when you visit a friend?
Sometimes I take snacks.
That is thoughtful.
Thank you.
Do you visit close friends often?
Yes, I visit my close friends more often.
Where does your friend live?
My friend lives near my house.
Is it easy to go there?
Yes, I can walk there.
That sounds convenient.
It really is.
What do you say when you arrive?
I say, hello, how are you?
A simple and useful sentence.
Yes, many people use it every day.
What does your friend say?
My friend says, I am fine, please come in.
Very friendly.
Yes, very friendly.
Do you sit and talk first?
Usually, yes.
What do you talk about?
School, work, family, and hobbies.
Many good topics.
Yes, there is always something to discuss.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea.
Does your friend make tea?
Yes, sometimes.
That sounds relaxing.
It is relaxing.
Do you eat together?
Sometimes we do.
What food do you like?
I like sandwiches and fruit.
Nice choice.
Thank you.
Do you watch movies together?
Yes, sometimes.
What kind of movies?
Comedy movies.
They are fun.
I agree.
Do you play games together?
Yes, we play simple games.
Who usually wins?
Not me every time.
That is funny.
Yes, it is.
Do you help each other?
Yes, good friends help each other.
That is true.
Friendship is important.
What makes a good friend?
A good friend is kind and honest.
I agree.
Trust is important too.
Do you remember your last visit?
Yes, I do.
Tell us about it.
I visited my friend on Saturday.
What happened first?
We talked about our week.
Then what?
We had tea and snacks.
Sounds pleasant.
It was.
Did you go outside?
Yes, we walked in the park.
Wow.
The weather was nice.
Did you take photos?
Yes, we took a few photos.
Great memory.
Yes, it was a good day.
Listeners, what do you do when you visit a friend?
Please write your answer in the comments.
Let's talk about useful English.
Great idea.
What is a useful sentence?
Can I come over today?
What does it mean?
It means you want to visit someone.
Very useful.
Yes, many people use it every day.
Another example?
Thank you for inviting me.
That is polite.
Yes, very polite.
Let's learn vocabulary.
Sure.
What does visit mean?
It means to go and spend time with someone.
Good explanation.
Thank you.
What does guest mean?
A guest is a person who visits.
Nice.
Simple and useful.
What does host mean?
A host welcomes guests.
Excellent.
Thank you.
Let's make example sentences.
Okay.
I visit my friend every Sunday.
My friend is a wonderful host.
The guest arrived at noon.
We had a nice conversation.
Very good.
Easy English is helpful.
Let's learn a little grammar.
Sounds good.
Present tense example.
I visit my friend.
Past tense example.
I visited my friend yesterday.
Great.
Very easy to remember.
Let's look at another verb.
Okay.
Visit becomes visited.
It is a regular verb.
Good point.
We add ed.
Another regular verb.
Walk becomes walked.
Nice.
Talk becomes talked.
Excellent examples.
Thank you.
What about an irregular verb?
Go becomes went.
Good example.
We do not add ed.
Very important.
Yes, learners should remember it.
Let's practice.
Sure.
Today, I visit my friend.
Yesterday, I visited my friend.
Today, I go to my friend's house.
Yesterday, I went to my friend's house.
Great job.
Thank you.
Let's learn pronunciation.
Good idea.
How do we say friend?
Friend.
One syllable.
Yes, just friend.
How about visit?
Visit.
Very clear.
Thank you.
Do you call your friend before visiting?
Yes, I usually call first.
Why?
I want to make sure they're free.
That is respectful.
I think so too.
What if your friend is busy?
We choose another day.
Good solution.
Yes, no problem.
Do you enjoy meeting new friends?
Yes, I do.
Is it easy for you?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That is normal.
I think so.
What questions can we ask a new friend?
What is your name?
Another one?
Where are you from?
Good.
What are your hobbies?
Nice question.
People like talking about hobbies.
Do friends help us learn English?
Yes, they can.
How?
We can practice together.
That sounds useful.
Very useful.
Do you practice English with friends?
Sometimes I do.
What do you talk about?
Daily life and simple topics.
Excellent practice.
I agree.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe.
It helps the channel a lot.
Back to our topic.
Yes, let's continue.
Have you ever visited a friend for a birthday?
Yes, many times.
Did you take a gift?
Yes, I did.
What kind of gift?
A book and some chocolates.
That sounds nice.
My friend liked them.
Wonderful.
It made me happy.
Do you stay for a long time?
Usually a few hours.
Then do you go home?
Yes, after saying goodbye.
What do you say?
I say, thank you for having me.
Very polite.
Yes.
Any other useful sentence?
I had a great time today.
Nice expression.
People use it often.
What about shy people?
They can start with simple questions.
Like what?
How was your day?
Easy and friendly.
Exactly.
What about you, listeners?
Do you like visiting friends?
Please share your answer in the comments.
We would love to read it.
Emma, why are friends important?
Friends support us and make life better.
That is beautiful.
Thank you.
Do good friends listen carefully?
Yes, they do.
Do they help when needed?
Yes, they often do.
Friendship is special.
I completely agree.
We learned many words today.
Yes, visit, guest, host, and more.
We also learned grammar.
Regular and irregular verbs.
And useful sentences.
Sentences for visiting friends.
Today was a lot of fun.
I enjoyed our conversation today.
Thank you everyone for listening.
See you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye.